Welcome to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel. Today, we're cooking a sabzi that is both healthy and tasty, called bitter gourd curry or Karela ki gravy. We have already made a video on sukhi or dry Karela ki sabzi. Please check our playlist. If you are someone who likes curry dishes more than dry sukhi sabzi, are health conscious, and know the benefits of having bitter gourd but do not eat it due to its extreme bitterness, this method of preparation will surely be loved by anyone. Here's everything we'll need to make this fresh and healthy dish. Finely chopped Karela, finely chopped onion, hing, groundnut powder, turmeric powder, jaggery, salt, amsul soaked in water, chopped coriander and a mix of onions, garlic, and red chilies powder called Kolhapuri Kanda Lasu Chutney. One important tip: after chopping the bitter gourd, keep it in a ball and add salt to it. Mix it and keep it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, squeeze it to remove bitter salt water. Wash bitter gourd in clean water for 3 times. Now it is ready to be used. Let us now see how this very tasty curry is made. Light up the gas stove. Take a normal curry and add 2 teaspoons of oil to it. Let the oil heat for 2 to 3 minutes and add the chopped Karela to the curry. After 2 to 3 minutes, when the Karela is slightly fried, take it out onto a plate. Now add a little oil and let it heat. Add the chopped onion to the heated oil in the curry. Mix it well and let it cook until it becomes translucent. Now add hing, salt, and turmeric powder to the fried onion. Add aromatic spice blend made from roasted onions, garlic, and red chilies, called Kanda Lasu Chutney to the kadhi and mix it uniformly. Once the masala is heated well, add the fried bitter gourd to it and mix it well. Now add groundnut powder to the kadhi along with jaggery and mix it well. It's time to add the sun-dried rind of the kokum fruit, called amsul, along with chopped coriander to the kadhi. Mix it well and place a lid on the kadhi to let it cook in steam. After 4 to 5 minutes, open the lid and add a ball of boiled water to it and close the lid. Open the lid to check if Karela is cooked, mix it and close the lid. Again, open the lid to check if the bitter gourd is cooked. Here we can see it is cooked. Mix it once and close the lid. Turn off the gas stove, as our Karela ki sabzi is now ready. You will see a beautiful color to it. Look at that freshly cooked Karela ki sabzi. It tastes delicious when served with chapati, fulka, or roti. We think it's tempting, and even kids will love it the way it is cooked and served. Remember, you can reduce the oil according to your taste and health preferences. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click the notification bell for more traditional Indian recipe videos. See you next time with another recipe straight from the heart of Indian kitchen. If you like the video, subscribe to Shiva's Annapurneshwari channel for such videos. Share it with your family and friends. Eat healthy, be happy and stay blessed.